In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a single time step. And in my experience in my dance classes, I like to teach stomp time steps. So just know that this may be different than the shuffle time step you've seen before, because I do it like this. So start with your stomp, and now hop with the opposite leg. Put the right foot back to the floor, and it'd be better that you keep the ball of the foot on the floor rather than the whole foot, just for ease of transferring the weight. Now you do a flap with your left foot, drop into a ball change, and now hop, and we're about to do the other side. So now put the left ball of the foot down, flap with the right, ball change, and hop. So let's try that again, one each side. Let's go nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. As you keep practicing that, you'll get faster, more fluid, so it can look like this.